In this video, we're going to be replacing the taillight in this Ford Explorer. It's really easy, quick job to do. There's only 2 bolts holding it in. Let's get into it. You want to pop these caps off right here. Just use a small pocket screwdriver. Get under there, pop those off. And take these 2 screws out. Use an 8mm socket. And just grab the light assembly, and you want to pull it back towards the back of the vehicle. There's a little pin right there, and then it slides right there, just slides back. On the back side, you can disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, and then these 2 other sockets, so you have to take those sockets out, just twist, slide them out. Slide that one out. There you go. If you want to replace the bulbs, you can just grab the bulb, slide it out just like that. This is a W21W bulb. Line it up, click it in. Same with this amber bulb. You can just grab the bulb, slide it out. This is a WY21W bulb, and it goes in the same way. Lock it in place. Now we'll take the amber bulb, get that one started. And just twist the socket in. And the clear bulb is going to go up top. Twist that in, and then take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. There's a little clip right here for the wiring harness. You can clip that in place right there. Then line the pin up. Just snap it in. Take the screws, line the screws up. And snug these down. Take the cap, line the cap up, push it in, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.